Parang, dahil wala ako nito, dahil pag marami na akong pera, ganito na yung gastos ko. Parang ganun yung naging mentality ko na when I receive my first few paychecks, as in talagang lahat ng mga hindi ko nabili nung bata ako, binili ko siya. Sabi ko, as in, ganito. So, I really didn't mind kung paano ko I was spending at that time. It's more on ganun talaga. Doon yung na-form na kung hindi ako nagkaroon, I have to have this kind of stuff. So I have to have money. I have to work hard for it. Parang work hard, party hard nangyari sa akin. Pero ngayon when I transition to the financial services, parang, wait, kailangan balansehin natin to. Kasi, and then there are more options for me to earn money, parang ganon. Na hindi naman kailangan talaga na parang you don't have to chase money, but you have to work for it in a manner na talagang yung parang komportable sa'yo and you really know what you want in life. Yun yung naging, siguro yun ang parang recurring ano ko ngayon, recurring mindset with regards to that.
Okay, so ever since na nag-work ka, parang you work hard just to buy something that you really want ever since nung wala ka pang money.
Yeah, oo.
So, naging mindset mo siya na parang labas ng pera
Yeah.
kapag may pumapasok.
Pag may pumapasok, basta meron, basta meron akong pera sa wallet, meron akong pera sa ATM.
Yeah.
Kung kaya kong bilhin yan today, bilhin ko na today. And then, parang, my parents took notice. Sabi niya, huy, gano'n ka muna. Hinay-hinay ka lang. So, they encouraged me to get a life insurance policy para at least meron akong pinagtatabi for that. So, sa akin, okay lang yan, ganyan, sige. Pero, ang prevailing mindset ko nun was, eto yung mga bagay na hindi ko nakuha nung bata ako. So, parang nasa healing inner child phase yung ganun yung nangyari.